So that is first is average velocity. Then we call instantaneous velocity. Then we call, suppose, uniform velocity. So in different, we have different terms associated with velocity. Similarly with speed also. So what does it mean? That we will discuss. What is the meaning of these terms? Then this uniform speed. So what does it mean? Average velocity. Average velocity means the total displacement by total time. The total displacement by time. And average instantaneous velocity is the differentiation thing which we had written, the ds by dt. The average velocity is what? ds by dt. We will write vector because this is a vector quantity. So it will be the displacement per unit time for a very small time duration. And uniform velocity, what does it mean? This is when velocity is constant. When velocity is constant. In this case, uniform velocity, in this case, instantaneous and average becomes same. When velocity is constant, when we call it uniform velocity. What is average speed? That is total distance by total time. What is instantaneous speed? The rate of change of the rate of distance covered with respect to time, that we call it average speed. Here we will not have a vector sign. And uniform velocity, uniform speed, when we have average speed and instantaneous speed same. Same, or speed is same throughout, constant. So if it is constant, these two become same. So this is the concept of velocity and speed. Then we have acceleration. So what is acceleration? Acceleration is rate of change of velocity with time. This is rate of change of velocity with time. So for example, during gravity, if an object is falling under gravity, the velocity of object increases at constant rate. The velocity, if you drop some objects from some height, initially its velocity is small, but as it falls down, its velocity increases. So what is happening? We have acceleration for the object. So the example, you can say freely falling object. Freely falling objects. Okay, now we will see some of the problems based on this. Problems हम लोग को कुछ क्वेश्चंस